Now get this, it's Friday night, service is about to start and the kitchen is moving. Pans are clattering, steam is rising, and there is a sense of urgency. It's loud, it's hot, and it's fast-paced. And then I see him. He's just a young cook, but his station is in total chaos. There's a huge order of steak frites, and he's sweating. But do you know what? He's got the right attitude. He's calm, he's focused, and he's in control. Even though his station is crazy busy, he takes a second to wipe the sweat off his forehead and then goes right back to work. That's what it's all about. That's the right attitude. And believe me, that attitude is what makes the kitchen thrive. Welcome to my channel. I am a chef and the author of the Home Cook Bible. Here we talk about everything and anything to do with cooking and being a cook. So if you like to cook or you want to learn how to cook, please subscribe. Now there are two things that make a great cook. One is skill and the other is attitude. Today we're going to talk about attitude. Now, before you leave this video, I want you to leave a comment below. Tell me what your attitude in the kitchen is. Is it happy? Is it stressed out? Is it fun? Whatever it is, tell me. Okay, let's go back to that young cook that was sweating at the stove. In this business, it's not just about the food, it's also about the service. And sometimes, when you're working in a really busy restaurant, especially on a Friday or a Saturday night, you can have 10, 12, 15, even 20 plates to send out in 45 minutes. That's what we call a rush. And this is where some cooks rise to the occasion and others fall apart. What I'm looking for in my kitchen is someone who has the right attitude. When you have the right attitude, you don't mind working hard. You don't mind working with others. And most importantly, you never ever complain. Now, I want you to picture two cooks working together. They've been working hard and they just finished a really difficult plate. It's a beautiful plate and they did it together. Now they fist bump. Do you know why they're doing that? They're showing each other respect. They just did something really difficult together and they did it well. And the only way they could have done it was by working as a team. That's what I want in my kitchen. People who respect one another. Now I want you to take a close look at this. This is a cook taking a plate from the oven. He's not just taking a plate out of the oven, he's taking a piece of art out of the oven. Plating is an art form. It takes skill and it takes patience and it takes time. And most importantly, it takes respect for the dish. Now, here's a scene that you don't often see in a kitchen because not many people understand it. This is a young cook learning something from a senior chef. Believe it or not, I see this more and more these days. Senior chefs are always looking to pass the torch and they're always looking to teach the next generation. And this is what I love about this photo. These guys are friends. They respect each other and they're working together to pass on the knowledge. That's what it's all about. Every kitchen needs cooks with the right attitude. People who work well with others. People who are eager to learn. People who never complain. And most importantly, people who show up on time, ready to work. Now, here's the entire team. They're young, they're old, they're experienced, they're eager. But most importantly, they're united. And as a team, they will conquer the dinner service. As I said before, it's not just about the food, it's also about the service. And if you don't have the right attitude, you will never ever succeed. So remember, the right attitude makes the kitchen thrive. Now go out, be positive, be strong, and be an attitude of gratitude. And until next time, go out and be awesome.